Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. Hope you all have received the PDF of the question and answer and the word meaning of all the chapters that are coming in your subjective exam that is going to be appeared from 12th of December. So here I'm just revising the half of the chapter of the giving tree, and in this video we are going to complete the rest of the explanation, children. Okay, so you all hope you all are doing your work as well as your reading, learning, everything has to go on, children. So best of luck for your learning. So here is the chapter again. I'm just having a quick look of the revision, then we will finish the rest of the explanation. So this is the story about a tree, that many things that he has shared with the little boy. With the example of this chapter, the chapter is the writer is giving us the message ki how useful and how valuable the tree is from the beginning till the end of the life of the tree. He was in a form of helping others and always ready to help till the last breath of his, or till the last cutting of its tree trunk and branches. Okay, so narrator. Once there was a tree and it loved a little boy. So the story begins. The narrator is telling us that there was a boy and a little tree. They loved each other. They spent many time with each other. They enjoyed their company. उनको एक दूसरे का साथ बहुत अच्छा लगता था, एक दूसरे की कंपनी एंजॉय करते थे. Every time tree used to say, "Come here, boy, climb up my trunk and swing from my branches." जब भी वो बच्चा उसकी branches से खेलता था, उसकी टहनियों पर झूला झूलता था, the tree enjoy all these activities doing by the child. Whenever he get hungry, the child offers apple from its branches, the fruits, the apples he used to enjoy. And of course, whenever he get tired by climbing and swimming, and after having a good meal, he rest under its shade. So see how good the company the boy is enjoying, the company of the tree, and the tree is also always ready to help the boy. So by time went by, and now the boy is all grown up. So he was not there for the tree every time. He has some work to do. So he went off for the work, and tree is all alone. After some years, one day the boy came to the tree and the tree was happy again. Yes, I told you in the last video also that after few years the boy was again to the tree, and again the tree was very happy. The boy told his problem that he has to earn money, and what the suggestion that the tree can give to earn the money. So every time the tree offered the boy to come and climb the tree and swing the branches, but the boy is not growing is now growing up. वो एक बड़ा लड़का बन गया था, आदमी बन रहा था, so he does not have much time to climb and swing the branches. But he shared its problem to the tree. जो बच्चा था, जो लड़का था बेटा, वो अपनी प्रॉब्लम स्ट्रीट से ज़रूर शेयर करता था. तो द प्रॉब्लम ही शेयर्ड दैट आई वॉन्ट टू बाय थिंग्स एंड हैव फन. आई वॉन्ट सम मनी. मुझे पैसे चाहिए. कैन यू गिव मी सम मनी? So the tree offered, "Yes, I'm sorry I can't give you money, but I have only leaves and apples. What I am having are the apples and the leaves. You can pluck all my apples and you can sell in the market. Then you can make money with them by selling them in the market." So the narrator is again telling us the boy happily plucked the apples and carried them away to the market. The tree was also happy, but the boy stayed away for a long time. So after this help by the tree, the boy was again stayed away from the tree for a very long time. वो दूर रहा अपने इस पेड़ से बहुत टाइम के लिए, बहुत समय के लिए. But again one day the boy was back and the tree shook with joy. Again the boy was back, and again the tree was welcoming him with joy. Come, boy, come, climb up my trunk, swing my branches, eat my apples, and play in the shade and be happy. He is offering all its help and all its valuable things that you can play under my, you can sleep under my shade, you can have my apples, you can swing, you can enjoy, and you can spend your time. But the boy is too busy, he said, he replied. See, I'm too busy, so I don't have time to climb down the trees. I'm getting married and I need a house for my wife and children. So the boy is telling that, see, now I am a grown up man and I am getting married, और मुझे अपनी वाइफ और अपने बच्चों के लिए क्या चाहिए? मुझे हाउस चाहिए. कैन यू प्रोवाइड मी समथिंग फॉर दैट आई कैन मेक अ हाउस? I have no house, but you may cut off my branches and build a house. So when the boy is asking to the tree कि can you give me a house, क्या तुम मुझे घर दे सकते हो? Then tree, see how beautiful he is offering. See, I don't have house, मेरे पास घर तो नहीं है, but you can cut off my branches and build a हाउस. यस, मैं तुम्हें घर तो नहीं दे सकता, बट तुम मेरी टहनियों को काट के मेरी लकड़ियों से तुम अपने लिए एक सुंदर सा घर बना सकते हो. नरेटर, सो द बॉय कट ऑफ द ट्री ब्रांचेस एंड कैरीड them away to build a house. Yes, children, the narrator is telling us कि लड़के ने, बॉय ने, now he is not a boy, he is a man. He cut all the branches, सारी टहनियों को काट लिया और उसे ले जाकर अपना एक सुंदर सा घर बना लिया. Now again the tree was very happy that the boy is there with him, but again the boy stayed away for a long time and the tree was sad. अगेन वापस फिर ट्री उदास हो गया, क्योंकि जो उसकी कंपनी थी, जिसको देख के वो खुश होता था, वो फिर लंबे समय के लिए उससे दूर हो गया. एंड अगेन व्हेन ही केम बैक आफ्टर सम ईयर्स, बहुत सालों के बाद जब वो वापस आया, अगेन द ट्री गेव हिम द वार्म वेलकम एंड ही वॉज वेरी हैप्पी दैट ही कुड हार्डली स्पीक. बोल भी नहीं पा रहा था ट्री, इतना खुश था. नाउ द बॉय वॉज अ यंग मैन, बहुत बड़ा आदमी, यंग मैन बन गया था. अगेन ही इज ऑफरिंग, कम बॉय कम, व्हाट कैन आई डू फॉर यू? यंग मैन, यस, आई एम गोइंग ऑन अ बिजनेस ट्रिप. मैं एक बिजनेस ट्रिप के लिए जा रहा हूँ. एंड आई वॉन्ट अ बोट टू टेक मी अवे, लेकिन मुझे सेल करना पड़ेगा, नदी को पार करना पड़ेगा. फॉर दैट आई नीड अ बोट. कैन यू गिव मी अ बोट? Yes, yes, why not? Can you give me a boat? Now the tree is replying, all I have left is a trunk. मेरे पास अब जो बचा है वो सिर्फ मेरा तना है. Cut down my trunk and make a boat, then you can sail away. तुम उन्हें काट लो और अपने लिए एक सुंदर सी नाव बना लो, and you can sail and just carry on with your business.